guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing an unboxing video from TKB Trading. So it came in a priority mail. I paid for priority mail. I paid $6.90 for it. So first we're going to start off with these lip liquid. So I got 3 of these. Each of these were $2 and some change, so they wasn't too high. So I'm gonna start off with the first one. The first one is, excuse my nails by the way, but the first one is a red 27 lip liquid, and the instructions say oral dispersible pigment, uses coloring, lotion, soaps, toiletries, lip gloss, and that is what that is. So it's a nice red. I can't wait to try it and see what it looks like. I'm gonna open it up, and this is the smallest size they had, so that is what it looks like, and this is the top. The second lip liquid I have is the red 40 lip liquid, and it says used about 20 drops to 3 grams, but I'm not going to use nowhere near 3 grams. And it's the same direction, so it's a pretty red as well. It's more like an auburn. So that is the difference between the colors. I like this color a lot better, but yeah, that is the difference between those two. And I have one more, and that is the blue #1 lip liquid. Same directions, and yeah, it kind of looks more black, but it's supposed to be like a, I think like a baby blue, like a regular blue. So I can't wait to see what this looks like. And then now we're going to go through the pigments. So these are the pigments. I'm going to open this up real quick. And we're going to start with the first one. The first one is yellow, #6 Layered Cosmetics. Use Not in Eyes. And it's a very pretty orange. Now, I don't know what all this is on the sides. But when I ordered this, right, so I guess that's just this peeling off. But when I ordered this, it said DC Late. It didn't say yellow #6 Late. So that's something that I noticed that changed. It's the reformulated Echo cosmetic used including eyes. So yeah, it's kind of like a pale, kind of like a tan color. It's pretty though. Up close it has like little shimmers. I don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah, it has little shimmers. But it's really pretty though. I think this would be a very pretty lip gloss. Again, all these are tinted, by the way. Now this orange one, it didn't have any shimmers, as you can see. There's no shimmers in that at all. But I hate how it looks all dirty up here. It may seem like it's been used or whatever, but I just like it when it's clean. On to the next one, we have True Green. Includes cosmetic use, includes eyes. So yeah, I don't know what is all this. Why does it look so dirty? And guys, I just took it out the packaging, so I don't know why it looks this dirty. This doesn't have, well, it has a little bit of shimmer, but not that much. And again, this is True Green, 6 grams. Everything I have is either 6 grams or 2.5 grams. By the way, the next color is Transparent Gold. Cosmetic use including eyes. So yeah, it's kind of like a very light gold. It does have a couple shimmers in it as well, as you can see. So it kind of reminds you of the Echo. So that is the difference between these two. And then the backs. So I like this transparent gold. It's pretty. But I like this color because it's more, it's different. It's Verdigris Gold. I think I pronounced that right. Now, this is very pretty. I like the shimmers in this. This is so pretty. Do you guys see that? That is so pretty. The back. That is so pretty. And it is cosmetic use including eyes. And it is also 6 grams. So that's really pretty. Again, guys, I always get the sample size. This came like this. Why? I don't know. But yeah, that's like really pretty. I think this is like a glitter. I don't even think it's like a pigment because it looks like just green glitter. But it's pretty though. Kind of like an army glitter. Now we have Dublin green. And cosmetic use including eyes, 6 grams. And then the back. So it's just like a dark green. It kind of looks bluish. But it's really pretty though. So this is the difference between True Green and Dublin Green. So it's a pretty big difference, as you can see. And then you got the Verdigris Gold. So they're all just 3 different color greens. This one is my favorite. The True Green is my favorite. Then probably the Gold, then the Dublin Green. So yeah, that is the difference between all 3. On to the next one. I think I got like 19 pigments. But this is Twilight Green. General cosmetic use including eyes. This is kind of like a grayish, bluish green. I don't know what all that is. It's definitely not my favorite. This looks more like a matte, kind of like a dull color. But I guess it's okay. It kind of reminds me of the Dublin Green, but it's a tad darker. So that is the difference between those two. And then the backs. So yeah, it's a slight difference, but I probably like this one more than I like this one because I don't really like dark colors. But I just bought a whole bunch of random colors to show you guys. So that was the first set of pigments. Now we're on to the second set. As you can see, I have a lot of pigments. So we're gonna start with the first one, which is the TKB Apple Blossom. This is like a very, very light pale pink. General cosmetic use. So yeah, and then the back is just a TKB. But yeah, that is really pretty. There isn't any shimmer in this one. It's kind of like a matte, just a plain pigment. Kind of reminds me of like cotton candy, because cotton candy is always this color. But yeah, this is really pretty. But on to the next one. We have Cinnamon Sugar. General cosmetic use including eyes. Guys, when you buy pigments, make sure they are safe for the lips, because not all of them you can use in the lips, and some of them you can't use in the eyes either. So make sure you read that before you purchase, by the way. But or you can just read this, but you won't be able to see that till you actually get it. But yeah, it's like a kind of like a palish brown, goldish kind of. It kind of reminds me of the transparent gold, but it's a little darker. As you can see, it's just a tad darker. This is more like kind of like a bronze kind of, but I think I like this color better because it's more nude than this color. But I'm curious how this transparent gold looks because it reminds me of 24 karat gold. But yeah, that is Cinnamon Sugar for you guys. On to the next one, we have True Red Orange. Mineral pigments for general cosmetic use, not in eyes. Guys, it's very important that you read this before you actually make the lip gloss. So this is very pretty. It reminds me of Sexy, I'm sorry, not Sexy, of the raspberry gloss. I can't remember what the pigment's called, but on my website I had sold a raspberry gloss that looks just like this, and I titled it Sexy Raspberry Gloss. But that color has been discontinued because I don't remake tinted colors. I always post new tinted colors because I'm always making tinted colors on my YouTube channel. But yeah, this is very pretty though. I really like this color. I like loud colors because I just like loud colors. I feel like it goes best with my skin tone. But there isn't any shimmer in this one. Yeah, I don't really see any shimmer. It's kind of like a matte. Kind of like a matte color, but that's pretty. On to the next one, we have TKB Cranberry Blush. Let's see, what does it say? USA Cosmetic, including lip, not eyes. But yeah, this is very pretty. Again, this doesn't have any shimmer as well. A lot of these kind of look like a matte colors, but they're still pretty. So this is the difference with the True Red Orange. This is a lot louder than this one. This was kind of dull, but it's pretty too though. I like both of these a lot. So that are those two. On to the next one, we have you know, I'm not even going to try to pronounce that, but you guys can see the color. It says cosmetic including the eye. So yeah, shimmers. I definitely can see some shimmers in this one, but it's kind of like a tan-ish. I don't know how to describe this color, but what does this color remind me of? Kind of cinnamon. Not really. It reminds me of Scorpio gloss. That's an old gloss that I did on my channel a couple of months ago. But this color is really pretty though. I love the shimmers. It's not too loud. It's not too pale. It's not too pale like this Apple Blossom. But this Apple Blossom is like really pretty. And that would look so pretty with some glitter that I'll add. Next pigment we have is the Smoky XXX cosmetic use including your eyes. So yeah, this is pretty much a smoky color. It's kind of like a grayish but like a slight pinkish tone around the edges, kind of like a slight pinkish tone. I know it's kind of hard to see, but it's mainly just like a gray tone. It's pretty though. I'm not a fan of gray lip gloss, but I wonder how it would look. It might look bomb with some glitter. Everything looks bomb with glitter, guys. A lot of people just put pigments in the lip gloss. They don't add any glitter, which is still cool, but I like glitter because I love the way the glitter looks on my lips. On to the next color, we have Shimmer Apple Pop. This is really pretty too. It reminds me of True Green, but it's not as dark. See, it's a little bit lighter than the True Green, but it's very pretty though. It's a light green. It's a lot lighter off camera. But let's see, it says cosmetic use including your eyes. So yeah, and this is also 6 grams. I think all of these have been 6 grams. I haven't seen any 2.5s. But yeah, this is very pretty. And last, oh wait, we got another color. Okay, we got matte red pop. So of course there's no shimmer in this one because it says matte. So I'm not surprised. General cosmetic use including eyes. That's great. This is very pretty. It reminds me of, what does it remind me of? Kind of True Red Orange, but this is more pinkish as you can see. Let's see. Cranberry. No, cranberry is a little bit lighter than this color. This color is more of a pop, you know. Let's see, this color. No, this is too dark. This is definitely too dark. But yeah, this is very pretty as well. Again, this is, it says matte red pop, and there's no shimmers in this at all. But it's very pretty. And again, guys, all these pigments cost like $1 and some change, or either $2 and some change. They're not over $3, and I get the sample size, which is 2.5 grams or 6 grams. So last but not least, we have the TKB Lucky Green USA cosmetic use including lip and eye, and this is like a pale greenish bluish color. It reminds me of the Shimmer Apple Pop, but this is a lot lighter. As you can see the difference, it's a lot lighter. Kind of more on the aqua side. But yeah, guys, it's very pretty. But it says, yeah, including lip and eye. So guys, I'm going to show you guys all my pigments. So that is what they look like. Let me flip these over so you can see the names. Let me move these out of the way, and then don't forget about these lip liquids. I'm not sure how many drops I would add. I'm just gonna add a little bit and then see if I need to add more when I make the gloss. But these are all the different colored pigments. So guys, what is your favorite? Is it the red, true red orange, yellow, what is that? Number 6 late, the echo, the verd, I can't pronounce it, I'm not gonna try. The cinnamon, oh I like the cinnamon though, the cinnamon's pretty. This, can't pronounce that either. The transparent gold, Dublin green. Is it the smoky? Is it the true green? Is it the TKB apple blossom? Is it the matte red? Is it the cranberry? Is it the shimmer apple pop, or is it the TKB lucky green? So all these pigments cost me $42, including those 3. These 3 was the most because they're like $265, which is kind of high. Well, not really, but it's more than these pigments. But yeah guys, that is all of my pigments. Again, cost me $42. And guys, please subscribe because I will be doing I will be showing how these colors look when I actually make the gloss. It's going to take me a while to do all these colors. I try to do 3 colors in each video, and I post a video at least twice a month because it takes a lot of time for me to make these, and it requires a lot of editing, plus I have a lot of stuff I need to get done besides doing this. But yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video. So right now I'm just going to get a closer view of all this. Excuse the shadow, I can't help the shadow, I'm sorry. But yeah guys, don't forget to subscribe.